Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure AirPods and case have battery and AirPods are in the case. On Windows 11 Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and enable Bluetooth. Once done, press and hold the AirPods case pairing button until the status light pulses white. This puts them into discoverable mode. You do this now because Windows won't list the AirPods until they broadcast. Make sure your PC's Bluetooth hardware is active and drivers are installed so discovery will work. After AirPods are discoverable, click Add Device and choose Bluetooth. You should see your AirPods appear by name. Select them and accept pairing. Windows will typically install the appropriate profile automatically, which enables both audio and microphone functionality. Once paired, go to Sound Settings and explicitly select your AirPods as the output device and, if needed, the input device. Make sure communication apps also use the AirPods in their audio settings, because app-level defaults can differ from system defaults. Finish by testing. Play music and make a quick call or record to confirm both speakers and mic work. If audio quality or connection drops, make sure AirPods are selected as both default output and default communication device in sound settings. This resolves many conflicts. If pairing fails entirely, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then repeat the Add Device flow. This reset clears old pairings and usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.